Once upon a time, you stopped by manlybands.com to check out some of our fantastic products. And we're so glad you did. Today we're going to be talking about one of them that's inside of this beautiful box right here called the Storyteller. And you know it's going to be good inside because when this beautiful box arrives, you know that there's quality lying inside. The first of which being this card. And that's it, nothing more to say about that. Just kidding, it's got all kinds of fun information in there, including customer service. So if you have any questions about your product, give us a call. And we also have some things there telling you how social media works, because after 20 years of it, we can use a reminder. Go in there, look at pictures, post some pictures of your own. Inside, there we have, it's beautiful, the Storyteller. It's black zirconium with a brushed finish on it. It's got stepped edges, super beautiful design, very simple. So if you're into spinning a yarn, annotating an anecdote, or whatever worthless phrase means to tell a tale, check that out. Inside also is our black silicone band as an option for wearing whenever you're about town. Not that you would wear that, you'd wear this about town. Guys, get your story straight. Inside are also some promotional materials as they become available. So, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Storyteller on manlybands.com.